it, oh. Don't ask me, oh. It's not my time, oh. I'm coming, oh. Let's go.
Every day na party, every day na jolly, oh. Oh, yeah, move your body.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion by Lucy, and today you'll be surprised, really surprised where I'm going to take you. I am going to take you to someone very special to me, and I'm so happy whenever I meet her. So let me also give you some time where you can laugh really loud enough, and let's go and let's meet my friend. Here is Simbo.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fusion by Lucy. I'm excited.
Yeah, I am so excited. I'm so excited. Guys, let me tell you one thing about Simbo. Whenever we meet, she lives in my neighborhood.
Yeah.
She is my lovely neighbor. And she is from Nigeria.
Yeah.
And I'm from India. So two women are going to burn the floor today.
From different continents.
Yes. So,
but are bonded by love.
Yes, absolutely. And you know, one thing, whenever I see Simbo, whenever I see you, I am like so happy.
Wow.
We have heard so much about Nigeria, and how come you guys, so much is happening in Nigeria and still you laugh and you smile and you're happy? How do you do that?
Well, let me say, Nigeria by nature, we are happy people. It doesn't matter what we're going through, we are just always smiling. It is in our nature, it is in our blood, it is in our DNA.
Oh! And I love the actions that you guys make. Recently, when I shifted to Senegal,
Yeah.
I understood Africans. So my husband and I, we started watching a lot of Nigerian movies.
Wow.
And I love,
Yeah.
how do you get those actions?
Nigerians,
Yes.
we are full of action. No dull moment with Nigerians at all. Anywhere we are, we just want to rock it.
How do you manage to do that? I mean, is it
We are energetic, you know, you can feel it.
Yeah.
Yes, we are very energetic. We are happening people. We just want to keep life together. We know that perhaps there could be things going around in our country, but it doesn't make who we are. It doesn't change who we are. Because by nature, we are just happy going people.
Absolutely. And that is what we see in Nigerian movies as well. I want to show people your salon.
Okay.
This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Let me show them, right?
Okay.
So here is the salon look, guys. Have a look at it. Look at this.
I have different themes here because everywhere I turn, I like to see colors.
Absolutely. And
That's why
look
you
at that
see-
lady.
Yeah, and that's me in the picture.
Yeah, she is
And you
Simbo.
can see my gorgeous head tie. Oh, Nigerians are so good at this.
I love her. I love this lady.
Look at the accessories. Look at the headgear.
Absolutely.
And look at that handsome man beside me.
Oh, that's your husband.
Yes.
Simbo, in this photo, you look like that actress.
Oh.
The famous actress who's there. I really didn't believe that this is you. Oh my God, look at this is Simbo. You're a Simbo and you're a Simbo. This is amazing. And look at your husband. He looks like he's going to stand for elections in Nigeria.
Like a politician.
Yeah, absolutely.
And my children love play a lot with their hand. We are very creative. Let me say in my family. Those who know me in Nigeria knows that I like to do a lot of things in my hand. I don't like sitting down. I don't like getting bored. You know, some people say I'm bored. I've been watching TV all day. I don't watch TV. What I do, I get creative with my hand. And so I have transferred that to my children. If you look on the other side, you see some drum set, you see piano. Yeah, so those are things I engage my children.
I am so glad to come to your salon and to see this. Literally. Nowadays, people are only on their phone and their kids are also on their phone.
Yeah.
And, you know, I can tell all Indian people watching my videos and all people from Senegal, you need to pick clue from here.
Yeah.
And become creative.
Yeah, be creative. I mean, life is all about growth. And how do you grow? You grow by learning. You grow by
Absolutely.
acquiring new skills every day.
Yes.
That is the way you grow. So
Yes.
you have to get creative to make life going.
I
So
really
that is
like
why you see at that corner also, that is where I have my mini office. If I'm not going to the office, this is where I sit to do the work of the
Awesome.
day.
Very nice. Very nice. And that's where the queen sits in the red sofas. I mean, you guys have so much color into you, right?
Yeah.
You are full of colors. And that is one thing which attracts other people, towards Nigerian people, because you're always into colors. Look at the curtains. Look at the curtains. It has orange, blue, white, everything mixed in it. Why did you shift to Senegal from Nigeria?
It's a long story.
But you need to cut it short.
Okay, so let me just say in a nutshell that it is in search of greener pasture. You know, when you talk about being here and Nigerians or people in other African countries here that you move from Nigeria to Senegal, they're like, what in hell are you doing in Senegal? How does that improve your life and all that? It depends on what you place value in this life. What are your values? Like me, or like for us, we love peaceful environment. We love an environment where our children can walk on the street without the fear of being kidnapped or something like that.
Absolutely.
So this is why we thought of, okay, let's move to Senegal. It's peaceful here. We have had a lot of stories about Senegal East. And more so, we had business opportunity here. So we just saw it, okay, it's an opportunity to just, have a mix there to make things more lively and get a feel of another environment. And it has been a wonderful experience.
So you're enjoying it?
Yeah, every bit of it.
Okay. And what do you know about India?
Oh, yeah. Thank you. That's a very good question because that is another area I think I need to explore. I don't know much about India, but what I know about India, since I was young, I love to watch Indian movies. Oh my God, Sunita! Oh my God! Oh my God, Sunita! I love even when I begin to the belly dance, even if I don't know. I just do so. I'm so crazy about Indian movies.
Really?
Yes. Anytime if I come back from school when I was young, I always rush to the TV. There is nothing else I watch. I don't watch the news. I don't watch any movie. Even before I begin to have interest in Nigerian movie, it was Indian movie I fell in love with the very first time.
Oh my God. Guys, I am going in July to India.
Yeah.
Yes, what do you want?
I want, what do you call it?
The sari?
Sari. I've been loving to wear sari.
Okay.
Yes, I want sari.
And you want some bindis?
What is
Bindis,
this?
you wear it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that red thing.
Absolutely.
Oh, red. Yeah. When I was young, I'll use my mommy's nail polish.
Okay.
To make
Oh my God. That is
to make that red
amazing.
thing.
Okay, another question I want to ask. Because
And I
Indian...
love Indian food. I love Indian
You
food.
Indian food?
Yes. Even I don't know how to make Indian food, but Indian food is tantalizing, inviting, full of aroma. Oh my
Oh
goodness.
my God, just look at the way she explained. As if she was praying.
As if I was
Oh my
even
God.
eating it.
So, what do you think about the Senegalese food?
Senegalese food, well, they have their own delicacy too and some touch of spice here and there. But it's just that it's too greasy for me.
Yes.
Yes, it's too greasy.
Too oil.
Yeah,
Too much of
too
oil.
much oil. Apart from that, it's also nice because I love their yasapula.
Yasapula. Okay. So, is Nigerian food better or Senegalese?
Oh, Nigerian food is...
Really?
Yeah! We have varieties, you can play with what you have. You can get creative, mix and get a lot of different delicacies from Nigerian food. Sometimes I have to order food from Nigeria to bring it over here.
Really?
Yes.
You do that?
Yes, I do.
And what do you order? The jollof rice?
No, I can make jollof rice. They have rice here.
Okay.
I get all the spices here. But so there's some of my vegetables that I don't see here, like the ugu leaf. What you see is the dried one, There's something called elubo.
Okay.
Elubo. Say it now.
Elubo.
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 Yes.
What is elubo?
Amala. Nigerian part. Oh my God. That is my husband's best meal. When you make that, you know, you make it with love. You know what I mean? Like, I love you. I love you. That's the way
Oh
you
my
make it.
God.
I love you. I love you. And when you make it and get nice egusi soup.
Lot of accents that you use in your language. You know, the actions and the accents. Share something about that.
I'm sure from what I've been saying since, you would have had a feel of how we talk with some swag. You know? We are swagalicious. You know what I mean? Like, come here, oh. Yes, if we don't put the O, the statement is not complete. Especially the Yoruba part of Nigeria. I am a Yoruba woman. And so when you talk, you must put O. The O emphasizes that statement. It stresses it and makes the person you are communicating with to understand that, okay, you mean what you're saying. So I don't have it, oh. Don't ask me, oh. It's not my time, oh. I'm coming, oh. Let's go.
Okay. And I must tell you one thing. Even my son.
Yeah.
He's in love with the Nigerian movies.
Oh, wow.
And he keeps saying, I didn't do it though.
I didn't do it, though.
Wait, so it's like that. I mean, I love Nigerian people, and thank you for giving us your time.
Absolutely.
Any message that you want to give to our to the people who are watching us?
Well, I just want to tell you guys to keep coming to Fusion by Lucy. Here you have it, you know, the way you like it. It's lovely here. It's fantastic here, and I'm sure she has a lot in package for you guys. So don't ever stay without watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. If you like the video, do share it. See you.
Bye.